This video is not about what you're seeing on screen. This is just my footage of my 2020 drawings that I've put together in one video. The real focus of this video is all about what I'm going to say. Throughout my drawing journey, I learned a lot of things. And in today's video, I want to share some of them with you, so maybe you can improve and get better at drawing. Tip number 1. Know yourself. You need a reality check. Assess your skill level and embrace that you're still a beginner. You're supposed to make mistakes. Even if you're still not good enough, it's okay. You're going to get there by practice. Learning is a process of continuous failures, ups and downs. Be prepared to produce sloppy work. When 20 drawings in a row don't work, it's normal. You're still a work in progress. Redrawing and practicing not only improve technical skills, but also perception. And after some time, you tend to notice what's wrong with your drawings. Tip number 2. Believe that you can improve. If you want to know how to get better at drawing, you have to understand first that it is a skill and that it can be improved over time. Stop thinking that you will always be poor at drawing. It takes time, patience, and perseverance for your efforts to pay off. It may be difficult, but this is the first step to getting better at drawing. Tip number 3. Learn from your mistakes. As you draw more and more each day, you will realize that you still have some difficulties in getting certain techniques right. You may find yourself doing them over and over again until you perfect them. This is an important part of the process, because it helps you learn from your mistakes. Reflect on the root cause of your mistakes. Once you focus on overcoming the root cause, you have already improved. Extra tip. Discover your medium. As you start drawing, you will realize that you are probably learning towards a particular medium. If you want to know more about where you do best, explore and experiment. This will help you realize what you are good at. Once you have found it, practice some more to hone your skills on that particular medium. Keep it in mind that you should still explore something new every once in a while, so you grow your skills and expertise. And so finally, this pretty much concludes this video. This video was more or less the subject and mental aspect of improving to draw. I didn't really cover up any techniques, but nonetheless, I hope you found these useful. If you did, then feel free to subscribe, and if you want to see me do more voice-covered videos like this one, let me know down below in the comments section. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.